The Eastwood heavy-duty 50-inch slip roller is the biggest, baddest roller that we offer. Great for a serious professional metal fab shop, or if you're just a man that's looking to put a perfect curvature into a 4-foot wide piece of metal, this is going to be the one for you. This bad boy will create gentle arcs, cones, or cylinders, helping you create patch panels for rockers, roll pans, door skins, lower fender areas, wheel tubs, and much, much more. With this machine, you can roll a full width 48-inch sheet, no problem. The roll diameter, so the smallest cylinder that you can make, is 2.5 inches, and the thickest material you can roll with this unit is 14 gauge aluminum or 16 gauge steel, which is pretty impressive. This unit will also roll 16th inch, 3/32 inch, 1/4 inch, and 5/16 inch diameters in wire. Pretty impressive stats. The heavy-duty design obviously has very little flex, if any, while you're rolling. That comes down to the perfectly machined thick 60 and 66 millimeter rollers, the beefy side plates, and the heavy-duty bracing in the design. And, of course, the hardened gears that turn this machine. Speaking of which, this comes with an extra gear, so you can roll it either a 1-to-1 or a 3.5-to-1 reduction. The 3.5-to-1 will give you the extra torque you need to easily roll those thicker gauges, and the 1-to-1 will let you speed through those panels that you just want to rush right through really quickly. Having both of them is a nice touch. Changing out the gear reduction is as simple as just moving the handle from one drive shaft to the other. That simple to go between the two. The slip roller is finished in a nice blue powder coat, and it's backed with a 1-year warranty. Another thing I really like about this one specifically is that it comes with a stand. Other competing slip rollers will cost you thousands, and you end up having to bolt them to your bench. It takes up space, it's a pain to set up, and the stand that comes with this slip roller will make it a permanent fixture in your shop. And the best part is, it doesn't make the slip roller any more expensive. So let's talk about how these work. They're pretty simple machines, but they're pretty powerful when it comes to metal fab. There's 3 rollers. These 2 in the front right here, they're gonna sandwich your panel together and roll it through. And the one in the back actually moves up and down, and that's what presses on the sheet to create the bend. This is called a slip roll because if you flip this knob right here, you can release the front roller and slip your piece of metal out, which allows you to roll a cylinder. Pretty neat. This front control wheel controls where the back roller is at, the one that presses up on that panel, and the wheel on the side controls how much squeeze you're getting out of the front 2 rollers. Then you can roll by turning the crank. Pretty simple stuff. The first thing I used the slip roller for was the top of my Cafe Racer cowl, and I can tell you that using this thing is not difficult at all. I needed to get a very slight cone shape into that cowl covering, and this slip roller made it really easy, even for a total greenhorn, to get a perfectly rolled piece of metal. And as you can see here, after lots of welding, prep work, a little bit of body work, and a coat of primer, this cowl is looking awesome, and it wouldn't look as good if it wasn't for this guy right here. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the 50-inch slip roller link below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.